Please, my name is Eric Anna Abakar. Index number 2238237, and this is my individual assignment 8 presentation for my digital website. I'm going to walk through the deployment of the contact inquiry API, which I talked about in IE7 and IE5. Here is my diagram. So I'm going to be explaining based on this. So the path my render reads is my render YAML, and Docker runs the Laravel app and connects the render management Postgres database. On the container boots, my entry point script runs migrations automatically, and there's no really in-manual setup. So the website is live now. It's more like what we give to the client, but we're showing the client what the website looks like live based on the project. Okay, so I run 6 checks against the live site to see if the homepage loads, to see if the contact submission is off and on, like it works, but we haven't received the client's email. The client requested that once they feel like the website is good at the end of our project, maybe they might consider giving us their email and their WhatsApp contact number for the website. So if the website doesn't run well, it gives user 0401 error and tells the user to refresh. Okay. If a user tries to access admin page and you don't have an admin account, it returns an error and they are redirected to the login page. And so I verify the API key that I was using in IE7 testing, and the failure scenario. So what we've talked about so far, we have the user, the render web services, the response, the render Postgres database, and then the failure point is all another chain. So to be honest, when I was planning this document, I wasn't planning on deploying on Render. I was planning to deploy on Namecheap, but due to financial constraints, I can't deploy there, so I opted to use for Render, and we can't deploy on GitHub for static sites. So, and when I first deployed it on Render, the CSS was not loading. I realized the build file was not working properly, and I had to fix that. And I honestly had to ask AI to help me, AI integrity. I wasn't sure of what to do, so I had to ask it to help me. I didn't understand why it is not running. It runs well on my local, but it didn't run on my Render, and it fixed the problem for me. For the second, okay, so I think the bug so far with my CSS bug. I think and since I'm using the render free version, the site may have some problems that it displays it properly. I will add an image of the displayed render site to the document. So my roadmap plan is that if it goes bad, I'll redeploy my last code comments from GitHub to my render dashboard and try and fix what was broken at first. So yeah, I use Claude to help me fix the problem. with my encryption, my rainbow, and also fix my CSS. Thank you.